Hello, it's Jilly, about to do another puff with you guys. Hey, with you guys or for you guys. I've got some lovely colours mixed up that I wanted to try, so I am going to get to it and do something. Oh, I don't believe it. As soon as I start pouring, this dog of mine, one of them, over and give it a nice coat of paint on the base, so I've got something to play on. So I've got my playground. Yeah, I suppose you could call this the base your playground, because it's the ground that you know, you're hopefully going to create something beautiful on. An artist's playground. Rightio. Let's play, cellmates. Let's see what we get. So it's got a nice white base. You can do your base in any colour. I've been doing different colour bases just with a little bit of tinting. That's quite nice. I wanted to really try this dark sea mixed with gold in a sort of composition like this, and it's already skewy, but that doesn't matter, nothing's perfect, so don't give it a second thought, I say. So I'm gonna put some of my I call it champagne gold. It's 50% gold mixed with 50% silver. Silver. These two colours on their own look terrific. So I'm going to see, maybe just do these two colours for now, see how it looks. So yeah, I'll need plenty of paint on there to make sure it pops. Maybe I try my metallic gold, which is just the metallic gold. So this comes out a lot yellower because it's just the gold on its own. You can see that. So this probably, because it's got so few colours, probably end up being quite a classy looking blowout. So let's give this a go. Just very simple. Anyone can do this. I'm not, I mean, once you've got your paint consistencies right, you know, somebody that doesn't consider themselves an artist can definitely do this. It's just your paint consistency and persistence with your own style. So let's see what we get here. Rightio, got my little blower. Wow, I knew those colours, absolutely gorgeous. Wow, that's really gorgeous just on its own. Just those colours, how simple is that? That will go in a lot of people's places. It's probably colours that will sell really, really well. So if you want something very simple, just try that. All it was those two different golds, champagne gold and metallic gold, and the dark sea. That's gorgeous. I'm going to go on to another one and give this a 2-for-1 because I know that's very quick, so I'll take some photographs of this before I change it, so I can show you guys that I'm just going to continue working on it, but I want to show you the possibilities. Now, okay, so don't freak when I go to the next stage now and say, oh, you spoilt it and you should have left it, because this is an experimental phase that I want to continue on with other colours and just see what I get. So, you know, these are how things are discovered, is by experimentation. I am just going to put my balloon through this just because it's a, oh, look at that, wow. Because it's an experiment and I'm going to do it. Wow, 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 wow. This colour is really super duper gorgeous. So it's literally, once you become a bit more experienced with the balloon and you can roll it, and you can just use the balloon for so many techniques and so many really lovely effects. This is my favourite part, is just going for it, just doing whatever you like. Remember, your art room, your rules. Actually, the stickier your paint gets, the stickier the paint gets, the actual probably more controlled your effects can be, because the paint then doesn't roll in. But that's pretty crazy good as it is. I like that. Do you like that? Do you like it? Like it? That way? Or this way? Let's turn it this way. So that would be absolutely fine on its own. There it is, another piece of art, just like the first one was. That is gorgeous colours. That is really lovely. And I'm just going to push on now and do a bit further. Rightio, let me move that down a little bit. And let's... Okay, what shall I do here? Why not try a swipe through it all? I'll work on further from there. So I'm putting the black. This will disappear, so you won't see too much of the black, I'm guessing, but we'll just try it. So there's the black. I'm going to swipe away. Just with my piece of soft plastic file divider. That looks a little bit wonky there. So I'm just going to drop the plastic into the black. Pull it through. You know when I said the black won't show up very much? But actually, oh my goodness, just look at that. The effect of that. That's definitely like water bubbles, isn't it? Or champagne bubbles, whatever, however you want to look at it. Champagne bubble sounds nice. But look at the effect. I have to bring you down to see this. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Just that simple technique makes you look as though you've worked on it for days. I might just leave that. And maybe, I don't know, it's quite nice with the difference in the top. Maybe I'll do some just my small balloon that's just got, you know, that I just put, it's just an ordinary sized balloon, but you just put a bit of water in it. Oh, there you go. Maybe it looks like jumping dolphins from my side. Variety is the spice of life. You could absolutely leave it like that. We may push on So that's just another option, I suppose. I mean, you could let that dry like that because the cells are so gorgeous, and put some fish in it or embellish it afterwards. That is absolutely gorgeous. That's just my normal global paint. So that was only the dark sea and the gold. And then just the swipe was my normal Amsterdam black with Australian floetrol. And you get those super duper effects. I'm just thinking, rather than actual swipe, let's try and do some pseudo blooms. Rightio. So I might start off in this area of pouring some dark sea here, there and everywhere. So this is just a really free form expression of whatever you want to do. So I'm just giving you ideas and you just go for it. I'll put some more of the golds in there. I'll put the both kinds, I guess. Put a bit of that black. Yeah, maybe I'll just stick to the same tones and not add any more colour to it. Might still look pretty good. Then I'll add some of the gold. A little tad more of the black. Why not? So don't be scared when you're doing your art. Don't get frightened to go that bit further, because remember, it is literally only paint. Don't get worried about it. So here we go. Let's see if we get a pseudo bloom. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Those colours should just fall in together. That's really nice in the same tones as the rest of it. I've just gone a bit wonky on that flower. Should I? That one just looks a bit odd, but I don't want to blow it or do anything else with it, but that's perfectly fine. Let's just do some little traces out of it, soften it up. It's just with a skewer. Wow. I think that's lovely, keeping it all in the same colours and not introducing another colour like I was going to. So that's a whole set of ideas for you guys. I call it a sea bloom because these look like the real froth of the ocean bubbles. I don't know, can you think of a better name? But I'm really happy with that. That is quite pretty. It's a little bit different because it's got everything in there. So I hope you enjoyed my craziness today, and please give it a go. Don't stop experimenting. Don't get worried. It's just paint. It's your art room, your rules, and don't get worried about what anyone says, because it's art. It's beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So until tomorrow, my lovelies, please join me then. Take care. Bye for now.